Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to listen to music on your Steam Deck when you're playing games. So if you have them into the desktop mode, you should definitely hit the Steam button and then go to power and go to desktop. And once we're under here, we can go on down to where it says discover in the bottom left. Open this up. This is the software center. Now there's an application under here. We just go to the home screen. It's going to say Spotify. All we have to do is simply get this and then install this on our device. And then sign into Spotify. And we can open this up when we're playing games now on the side. So once this is done downloading, I can see it right here. Now, we don't have to open it up in the desktop mode. We can open this up in the game mode. But first, we have to add this to the game mode. And to do this, we want to go to Steam. And then wait for this open, go to add game. Go to add non-Steam game. And under here, we want to locate Spotify. So I'm not sure if it's completely done downloading, but we'll see. And Spotify should show up under this list. And when it does, all you have to do is simply select it. Then go to add selected programs. And we should be able to open up Spotify now in game mode. So go to Steam. Go to library, and then we should be able to see Spotify under non-Steam games. So we can open up Spotify, we can sign into our account and stuff, and then we can back out, hit the Steam button, and launch your specific game. So we can have two applications running at the same time. And you can see Spotify, this is going to work. This is working on Linux quite well. And you can listen to your music as you're playing. Easy, no problem. So just get this application, you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.